It is now the last day of August, and I want to plant radishes in the spot where I'm growing baby carrots. I've been harvesting baby carrots out of here for quite some time now. And it's time to get them out of here. This is a yacon that isn't really going to develop anything, and there's a potato in here. And then there are little garlics along the perimeter. Get those out of there too. So I'm just going to loosen the soil a little bit and just take them out. Ooh, what was that? Must be a tree root growing in here. It's probably from that pear tree. There, we got things kind of loose now, I think. Let's see what we get. Let's get this yacon out here first. See what has happened to that. Let's get little bitty roots on it. It isn't going anywhere. Okay, carrots, baby carrots. We got baby carrots. We sure do, don't we? Look at that. Nice ones. Oh, I'm happy with this little harvest. Ooh, they smell nice. Well, I don't know. It's not so low of a harvest anymore, is it? It's growing on me here. There's the catbird. She's got to come and see what I'm doing. Here's the potato right here. Some of these are pulling out of their stems, so we want to loosen her up again. And these are peaches that I'm nursing. There's more carrots there. I didn't see them because something ate the stems off. My trap is missing, so whatever ate it probably is gone with the trap. Probably dragged it off far enough where I don't know where I can't see it. Hopefully we killed the rodent. I don't see any more carrots or garlic. I thought I'd have more garlic than that. No, that's pretty tough. Oh, here's another one. And they're just little round things. Ooh, I think I pulled out a peach. See that? There's a peach. So we'll go ahead and we'll transplant that right now out of its nurse bed. I'll put it someplace where, oh, there's another garlic. So we're getting someplace. Here's another one. They're so little that they're hard to see. And a little potato. There's a squirrel coming through. I was at war with them a little bit. Oh, here's another little garlic. I was at war with them when they were going after the hazelnuts. I picked them all, so now we got a truce. Oh, here's another one. So all of a sudden there's more garlic than I thought there was going to be. Thought I was going to turn that shovel and they were just going to pop out of the ground. But there's no tomorrow. Oh, here's another one. Yeah. And I was recently at war with the catbirds because they were eating cherries. But then I figured out I tied up a little plastic cluster of cherry lookalikes. And they probably went after that to no avail, to no reward. And then they gave up on everything else. There's another garlic. Piling them up now. That's rock. Boy, this soil is so nice. all the compost. Yep, another little garlic. I'm going to make salsa probably tonight. And those garlics are going to go in there. Nice bed. Let's make some little mini swale. Oh, there's another garlic. Yeah. Hey. Let's make some little mini swales here so that when it rains, it stays up on the top of the bed. Oh, here's another garlic. Well, okay. I don't know how many more are in here, but already I'm pretty happy compared to what I thought was going to happen. Okay, so let's make some little mini swales. We'll go here, go around. So we went around the whole perimeter here, and when it rains, it'll soak into this little swale I made instead of just running off. And this is pretty poor soil. It really is going to go off very quickly, anyways. It'll collect it. Let's do some more. And we're going to plant our radish seeds. So here's the radish seeds right here. Got two different kinds. Let's see them right here. And we'll put the, let's see, I like them both. We'll do the big time first. They have a coating on them. Yeah. Well, let's put them in between the swales. We don't want to put them in the swales. Swales we want to leave there. Guess we should overplant because we don't know how many are gonna survive. It's got to get through germination, and then it's got to get through the slugs. So let's plant more. I don't know how many seeds we got left in the giant little bowl. Let's put these in here. Oh yeah. Not too many. Okay. Grow into really big radishes, so it's good to plant them one seed at a time. in the past when you do those little, at least I did when I did those little radishes, those little spring radishes, you just throw a whole bunch of seeds down in a row and just thin them out. These radishes here are a little more expensive, and they're worth spending more time by the seed because they're so large. We're going to use up all the seed. Probably not both of them because I'm not going to get around my circle here. Okay, let's get the big thing back out. Okay. You know it's going to be raining here, so I'm not even going to water them. Plus we have pretty high soil moisture content here. Very good. Another thing I want to do is I want to get a ground cover and put it over the top. Keep the birds from digging them up. And notice it also kind of slows down the slugs a little bit. I think when they hit that ground cover coming from the outside the area, they climb up it. Not all of them, but enough of them. Okay, so here is my harvest of garlics, which I'm sure I missed a few because they're hard to see here. Look at that. That's pretty many. That little bitty bed with all these carrots too. And then my couple little potatoes. Oh, here's another garlic. Yeah. The potato is totally unexpected because it was a volunteer, came up on its own. Okay, now I gotta go find ground cover and we're good to go. Here it is. All covered up by the ground cover. I think we'll be good. Alright, thanks for watching. So I separated the carrots from their leaves, and here they are. The onions are from the other day, I just didn't want to empty the bowl. So here you're looking at the carrots, the potatoes, and the garlic. Some people might say, oh, that's not much of a harvest. Well, this came out of about a 2 diameter circle. And now I'm growing radishes there. So I think this is something special. I got good soil because of all the composting. Some of the carrots are pretty darn big. Look at that. That's a big baby carrot. Okay. There's some depth to this. It's not just a little single dimension layer of carrots. There's some thickness there. These little garlics, they're single bulbs. Look at that. They just form single bulbs. They'll be easy to clean and get into the salsa. Okay. That finally is a wrap. Thanks for watching.